Now you don't worry about all the questions I ask because everybody will get a chance because I cannot ask all of you together. Okay, I'll ask one by one. Now we are handling with EVS. You can take page number 27. Don't turn on your mic, please. Okay, take page number 27. Let's come. Kylina's parents, please see that when you turn on your mic, lot of disturbance, so don't do it, please. When I call her name, she can. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we'll start. Now, only when I call your name, you must turn on your mic, but you have to keep your camera on. I want Ansh John Jacob. Is he there? He was not responding the first 2 hours. Ansh, are you there, Ansh? All other children are there. Jemima is there, Srelina, then Evelyn, Sarah. Now, Mohammed Faizan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, where are you? Dia.
Yes, ma'am.
Dia, I want him to turn on his camera. And I don't want him to leave any class and go. He is not attending. I was going on calling out his name. He was not answering. And see, the camera is not on. So principal ma'am will call you because I sent a message. Morning, I didn't see him. He just came and went off. So I just sent a message. Principal ma'am will call your parents. Okay, later. Mohammed Faizan. Then Sehan. Where is Sehan? Sehan?
Yeah.
Sehan, where are you? Sehan? Very bad. We all are not attending. Okay, okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who's that?
I'm Faizan's sister, ma'am. He attended all the classes.
No. I just want him to answer. I don't want you to go to the recording. When I call his name, he must answer. Mohammed Faizan, I was screaming all these days. Nobody came to answer. Okay. So,
Okay.
No. He has to be there with the camera on. So, I informed principal ma'am. Ma'am, like this,
Sometimes the camera is not working.
But still, at least once, Dia, because only today you are coming, Dia. Okay. Ma'am is not angry, but he has to attend all the classes. You know how is he? See how he's looking at you? Okay. Today onwards, you must be regular. Camera is not working. When I call your name, at least you must respond. Every time, Mohammed Faizan, everything into mark. I need all the children to participate. Anyway, ma'am will call. Okay, now turn off your mic. We are going to start now. Next one is Sehan. I don't know where is he. Okay, Lina, behave yourself, please. Good girl. All are good children. Okay, now. Joanasri, what happened?
I want to show you the baby.
Okay, now, 1 minute. Sure, Joanasri.
1 minute,
ma'am. Okay. Then we'll go back to the textbook exercises. Where's Joanasri? I cannot see you. Come soon, Joanasri. Yes, where is she? Children, take page number 27. 27. Yes, Joanasri, hurry up. Or you show me after 11 o'clock, Joanasri, because I have class now. Okay, please show after 11, not now. Okay, now we are going to have this. Just read the question. Joshika, now Kanira, please read. Joanasri can show the baby after 11 o'clock. Kanira, please read from the screen and take the same thing in your book. Kanira, read.
We learn good manners at home and in school.
Yeah, tell me the answers. It's all jumbled. It's all mixed up. What is the correct word over there? Try to find out.
M-A.
Yeah.
N-N.
Very good. Then,
R-E-S.
what is...
E-R-S.
Now listen, parents, please leave her alone. Now tell me that word. Look at the screen. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kanira. Parents, please leave them. You don't say, they will tell. Okay, manners. Now who's that? Juansri, you can show me the baby after 11.
Page number.
Who's the Sona? Sona, is it you?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
ma'am.
me, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm Sri Mugilan. Which is the page number?
Sri Mukilan, when I told you the page number, where were you, Sri Mukilan? Don't disturb the class, be attentive. 27, page number 27. In between, don't disturb. 27. I told you we are just doing the continuation from yesterday's work. I mean Monday's work. Okay, now, come on. Now, second one, Kailina, read that. Kailina, we can take. Kailina, we can take. Kailina, if you don't come when I call, I will inform in the office. No excuse after that. All will join the class. At once they will disappear. Camera should be on. I'm going to call Principal Ma'am today. Now, we can take books from the dash. Kailina. No, Kailina's not there. Mishti, please tell me. Mishti. Is it Mishti? Come on. Only Mishti. Others don't talk. We can take books from the what? Yesterday I explained. Where will you go and read books? Tell me the correct word. That is Kailina, my Jesus. Songs are going on. Who's that? Who? Just see now who's that? Books from the dash. Tell me, Mishti, where do you find lots of books to read? I don't want to, Mishti. Mitra, Mishti, don't please turn off your mic. Mishti, turn off your mic. No need to answer. 1 minute. Mitra, tell me, we can take books from the dash. Where do you find lots of books to read? Mitra. I am calling only Mitra, nobody else. Mitra, tell me the answer. You tell me the answer, then we'll find the spelling of it. Mitra, are you there, Mitra? These children are not coming. I don't know what to do. Tell me the answer, Mitra. How many times ma'am is telling? We can take books from the... You don't worry about the word. What is it? Once again, you tell. Library. Now tell me the spelling. Tell me the spelling. You don't worry about the letters over there. You tell me the spelling of library. L. No, L-I-B. Say. L-I-B. Look at the screen and read. R-A.
L-I-B-R-A-R.
You have to take each letter. Library. The previous class I was telling so many times. Other children can do. The third one. Samantha, don't worry about if you say wrong, but you must come quickly. Then only I can help you. Now, Samantha, sweetie, please come. Samantha. No, but I think it's better I call only the good students. Then you will know how you are going to learn. Samantha, please come. Ma'am will help you. Samantha, read. There is an... No, she... Shashwata, can you tell me? Somebody. Shashwata, there is an dash room in Sumi school. It's written T-A-R. That's wrong. What room? Tell me, Shashwata.
This room.
Very good. See, if you make mistake also, no problem. You please come when ma'am calls. Now come to the next one. Now just you can tell me. Okay, no need to answer. Cyrus, tell me, what is the use of an assembly hall? What is the use? What do you use this assembly hall for? What do you, yeah,
The use of an assembly hall is to
you conduct assembly then. Any competition is there, you will have it. Okay. Other things are just connected with the book. That is Sumi and her friends. Now tell me the special days celebrated in your school. Special days. What are the special days? Tell me the national holidays first. But I think children, you small children never used to come. That's what I didn't take notice of it.
functions, ma'am.
Yeah, functions. That is, you'll have sports day, then annual day, that like from school part. The national holidays, Independence Day, usually small children never used to come. 1, 2, 3. So I cannot ask you that question, but usually we have Independence Day, Republic Day sometimes. So all these festivals, national festivals, we celebrate. Okay. Now think an answer I'll give you later. Now you just go to the next one. This is your own work. Write these words in the correct boxes. Write these words in the correct boxes. Now don't worry about anything. I will ask you now books. Now first column is assembly hall. Take one by one. Library, playground, computer room. Now can you tell me where do you find books? Take the first one. Strike that books. Where do you find books, children? Tell me.
In library.
1 minute. One minute. I forgot to ask. Miss,
Ma'am, in library.
1 minute. You cannot turn on your mic. Misty, tell me, where do you find books?
Library, ma'am.
Library. Misty, where were you when I called you to answer? No, I'm
Ma'am, the
not going
connection
to.
problem,
No,
ma'am.
I'm going to tell ma'am. Lots of connection problem. It's better we'll go to school and take class. Whenever I call connection problem, only you will enter, and I don't know. Every day it's like this. Because I have to teach you, you have to learn. Now, I want Kyalina. So, book should be written here. Kyalina, tell me keyboard. Where do you find keyboard in your school? Which room? Kyalina. Kyalina, where do you find keyboard? Okay, now, Samantha's gone, Shashwada. Shamma, keyboard. You go to some room. There you have practical work. Shamma, tell me, where do you find keyboard?
Ma'am, in computer lab.
Very good. So computer, others, turn off your mic, keyboard, because you have to tell me this. If I tell you, you'll just learn from me nothing. Keyboard. Huh? No, nobody is doing that. Shaina, tell me, where do you find a stage? Shaina, tell me, where do you find a stage?
We find a stage at Assembly Hall, ma'am.
Very good. No need to say like full sentence. You tell me. Stage. Very good. But you are answering according to the question. Here you can tell only the name. Very good. Now, next one is Tanvi. Are you there, Tanvi? Tanvi. Tanvi. Arush Botra. Arush.
Yes, ma'am. Sanvi, ma'am.
Yes,
Not Sanvi. It is Tanvi 2A. Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Arush. Wait. Next question. Okay. Tanvi, can you tell me where can you find a librarian? Tanvi. See the rooms. Others should not say anything behind.
Sanvi, ma'am.
It is, I am calling to a Tanvi. Thanvi. Not Sanvi, please. Okay, Arush, tell me, Arush, because I'm doing according to the roll number. Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
Arush, tell me, where can you find a librarian? Librarian.
Library.
Okay, good. So just see that. Next one. Yeah, I will go back to 2B children now. 2B children, get ready to answer. It's EVS. I'm coming from, wait, I'm starting from Rida. Rida, please be fast, Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
Rida, I'm going to ask you a question. Wait. Rida, where can you find swings? Swings.
Playground, ma'am.
Very good. Should be like that. Playground. Sing. Sometimes ma'am will make mistakes, so you have to tell me, okay? Swing.
Okay, ma'am.
Swings. Okay. Okay, now. Now Rida is over. Now Riha. Where is Riha? Riha, can you help me for the next one? Riha. Riha was there yesterday. I don't know about today. Riha. Okay. Now Sanvi. Saanvi. It's 2B children now. Sanvi, can you tell me where can you find a mic in your school? Among these rooms, nowhere else. Mic. Mike. Sanvi. Saanvi. Sanvi, come on. 2B Sanvi, she left the class. Just now Sanvi came instead of Tanvi. Sanvi, please answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, where can you find a mic in your school?
Sanvi, ma'am.
Who?
Sanvi.
Sanvi, tell me, where can you find a mic in your school among these 4 rooms? Mic. See all the rooms. Assembly hall, library, playground, computer room. Where can you find a mic? People will come and speak. They'll sing. They'll press. Yes, they'll conduct assembly, all that. Where do you find? Sanvi, tell me.
Assembly hall.
Good. Why is Sanvi taking a lot of time? Okay, good. Okay, good. Rika's not there. Now, Sona, it's your turn, Sona. Sona.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
I'm calling, 1 minute, I'm calling Sona. Sona. Others, turn off your mic. Sona, Sona, are you there?
Ma'am, here.
Yeah, good, Sona. Tell me, where can you find a printer in your school among these 4 rooms? A printer.
Computer room.
Good. So you have to write printer over there. All this should be neat work. When we check your textbook, this is for everyone. Okay, general instruction. You have to write neatly. Printer. Thank you. Now, next is Tangareknam. Tangareknam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Tangarekna. How are you now? How are you?
I good this, ma'am.
You are good. You are fine. Now tell me, sir, I forgot all the things what I learned in school days, Tangarekna. And where can you find slides in your school? Slides. You go and play there. Slides. Okay. Where can you find? Which place? Assembly hall, library, playground, computer room. Which place? My God. Very good. Now you can find. Let me check all the children now. Now I want everybody to write this. Playground. Yes. Now. Hope you'd have finished all this. Now we'll go to the next one. Okay. We'll go to the next one. I'm waiting for everybody to complete this with neat handwriting. You can do cursive writing. Now I want Virti read all the words in assembly hall. What do you find in an assembly hall? Virti, tell me the answer. Virti, assembly hall, what do you find? See this, and they say that some Virti, please read Virti. assembly hall, what can you find? Virti is not there. Alvin,
Ma'am,
please answer me. Okay. What now here from the given screen? Only Alvin, nobody else. What can you find in an assembly hall? Read from the boxes over here. In an assembly hall.
Mike,
Mike. Library,
books,
books,
library,
librarian. Say
librarian,
playground.
swing, slides,
Very good. Computer room.
keyboard, printer.
Very good. Okay. Now, next person. Now, I think we can go to the next one. No, next person. Let them read. Ansh, John, Jacob. Ansh, are you there, Ansh? Can you read this? Ansh is not there. Virti, have you come back? Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask you a question. You just answer me, okay?
Yes,
What can
ma'am.
you, and I just want you to read, okay, reading. What can you find in an assembly hall? Here, from the book.
Excuse me, ma'am. My phone is on. That's why.
Okay, after this, Virti, after this. Virti, after this, let Dhruv answer, okay? Dhruv, tell me, stage.
Ma'am, mic, ma'am.
Stage mic. I'm sorry, I was thinking that you are telling about your mic. Sorry. Now, Dhruv, in a
Yes, ma'am.
library, from the box. In a library, what can you find?
Books.
Then, one person will be there, no, in the library. Librarian. All must say in your mind.
Librarian.
Librarian. Okay, keep the spelling in your mind. Now, in a playground. Read
In
from
a
the book.
playground.
Yeah, two things.
Swimming.
Swings, then
Swing and slides.
slides. In a computer room,
Keyboard and printer.
keyboard and printer.
Printer.
Okay. After telling, you must keep all these spellings in your mind. Now, one more child, I will ask them to read. Harish, B class Harish. Okay, what can you find? Harish, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'm going to ask you, what can you find in a computer room? I'm not asking generally, only from the boxes. Computer room, what can you find in a computer room?
Keyboard, printer, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, in a playground,
Swing, slide, ma'am.
good. In a library,
Books, librarian, ma'am.
very good. In an assembly hall, stage,
Stage,
mic.
mic.
Now, I'm going to give Virti a chance because she was not there. Virti, please answer me, Virti. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
From the boxes given, 4 boxes and 4 rooms over there. Playground is there. Assembly hall is there. So tell me, what can you find in a playground?
Ma'am, swing, ma'am.
And one more.
Slide.
Okay, in a library,
And ma'am, books.
then a person.
Books, ma'am.
A person who's looking after the library. What do you call? Tell us.
Librarian.
Very good. Librarian.
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 Thank
Don't
you,
say like that. Good. Now, in an assembly hall,
Ma'am, stage.
mic. Okay. Mic. Say mic.
Yes,
Okay. Now,
Mic.
in a computer room,
keyboard, ma'am.
very good. And one more thing,
Ma'am, printer.
okay. Now we are going to the next exercise. I'm going to call 2A children now. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Go to the next exercise. Say some computer lab manners are listed below. You have to put a tick. Now I'm going to call. 1 minute. I'm going to call 2A children now. Niral. Okay, Niral. 1 minute. Let me take the page. Niral. Please tell me, Niral. Read the first question. You have to tell me whether I have to put a tick. Okay, read the first question. Enter.
Enter the room gently.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Okay. What should I do? Shall I put a tick? Is it right?
No, ma'am.
Listen. Enter the computer lab quietly. Is it true? Can I put a tick?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I finished. Next person is Jeff. Jeff, read the second one. Jeff Nathaniel.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Yes,
read.
ma'am.
Please read the second one. Take your
Take your teacher's permission before touching a computer.
yes. Is it right or is it wrong?
Right.
Right. Very good. So don't know whether ma'am will make mistake. Just see. Okay. Good. Now Sai Vasavi. I haven't seen Sai Vasavi for a long time. Sai Vasavi. It's not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sai Vasavi. I didn't even hear your voice because I have 2 classes. It will take turns. Okay, to ask you. Now tell me. Read the third one. Press the keys. Read that.
Press the keys of the keyboard gently.
Yeah. Should I put a tick?
Yes.
Yes, you must not press the keys like drums over there. That full key will go away. So you have to press it gently. Now, Tridip, read the fourth one, Tridip.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
Put to the computer lab.
Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what should I put?
Tick.
Now listen, 1 minute, children. I have seen, okay, ma. I have seen many of you after the interval putting the snacks in the pocket when Akila ma'am is taking class, like not for standard children, okay? Many of my students last year, they used to keep 2 biscuits in the pocket. They'll go eat in the computer lab. Should not do, even computer lab, library, even in classroom. You got time for everything. Okay, especially in computer lab, you must not put any waste like after biscuits and all that after eating, because rats will come in and it will bite all the wires. Okay, children, you must be very, very careful. Now, I want Tridip, thank you. I want Sri Mukilan to read all the 3 sentences. Sri Mukilan to read all the 3 sentences. Read. Yes.
Enter a room quietly.
Good. Next.
Take your teacher's permission before touching a computer.
Good. Next. No, don't say cholle. We will read.
The keyboard button.
No.
Of
Press the keys. Press the keys of
press
the
the keys of the keyboard gently.
Very good. Next one. Never.
Never take food to the computer.
Lab. Very good.
Lab.
See, Mukilan, you are doing well. I don't want anybody to tell Cholle this and all, because the whole class will hear. Even principal ma'am will hear, because recording will go to principal ma'am. Okay, then ma'am will ask me, why honey you did not guide them? See, now father is telling, thank you ma'am, say, Cholle, don't do all that. You are doing everything by yourself and you are reading it very well. Then I don't think next time you don't allow them to sit with you, okay? Then I won't ask you questions. Now you are reading. Very good. Sanjit. Sanjit, where are you, Sanjit? Sanjit. Yes, Sanjit. Ready. Sanjit. Sanjit,
ma'am.
please read all
Yes, ma'am.
your sentences fast. Okay. Enter. Read.
Enter the room
Quietly. Quietly. That means without making noise. Second one. Take your teacher
our teacher,
permission
um,
before
become
touching.
before touching a computer.
Very good. Press
Press
the
the
keys
keyboard.
of the keyboard.
No.
No. Press the keys of the keyboard. Say, press keys of the keyboard.
Press the key of the keyboard gently.
Good. Next one. Never
Never take food to the computer lab.
Very good. Now, children, what I want is you have to you have to listen to me when I take class. You're big enough to do all your work. Okay, now don't say thank you. Now I'm coming back to you. 1 minute, I'm coming back to you. I want to tell you something. Now, Juansri, where is Juansri? I want you to show me your baby. Before that,
Okay, ma'am.
children, I told you, I send the assignment. All of you listen. When parents ask, you must tell them because they won't know. You must tell them. Do all 3 assignments slowly and neatly